This YouTube channel is making $10,000 to $100,000 monthly by posting simple automated YouTube short videos. In today's video is all about turning simple automated shorts into thousands of dollars monthly. As a content creator, you certainly want to profit from your creations. Earning money from YouTube shorts is simpler than you might imagine. Let's watch a small clip of their latest video.
This is the animal that built America. Meet the beaver, nature's constructor.
Basically, they're simply providing exciting animal facts. Here's how you can start. Come to ChatGPT website and ask it to name 10 rare animals. Choose an animal that you prefer, such as this one. Then ask ChatGPT to write 30 to 50 words containing interesting facts about your chosen animal. I'll start by copying the text. Once we've copied the content, we'll proceed to Play.ht. Now that we've opened the page, we'll log in or, as I prefer, sign in with Google. Once logged in, we'll click on the option labeled Create AI Audio and then on Ultra Realistic Voice. From there, we'll paste your script into the box. Larry is their standard AI voice, but you may change it by clicking it. The voices that they use varies in gender, accent, age, style, and further, as shown in the header section. You can test out numerous voices until you find the one you like. For mine, I'll use William.
Elon Musk is the...
To select it, simply click on the Confirm button down to the side. You'll notice a green button that states Generate All Previews on the lower right side of the page. Click on it. Then wait for a moment to see it generating the voiceover. When it's finished generating, press the play button on the top right corner or down in the middle.
The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle.
Once you've been satisfied with the voiceover, click on the download icon to save the file. After we have downloaded the file, we will head to Canva. Now, in the search box, type in YouTube Shorts and click on the frame of text that says YouTube Shorts. From there, we'll click the Create a Blank YouTube Short button. Click the Upload button on the left side of the page, and then upload the voiceover file. Once it's uploaded, hold on it and drag and drop it here. After this, we could look to find any photographs that belong to our selected animal's subject. Here are a few websites where you can get copyrights free paid stack clips. I'll include all of the website's links in the description beneath. Adobe Stock, Shutterstock iStock, Pixabay Pexels, Vimeo Stock. Simply pick the photographs that you believe are relevant. You aren't required to download the photographs. A small tip, simply just hold the picture while you drag the picture into Canva. Now let's look for some video clips for our YouTube short video. So I'll be scrolling around for a few moments till I discover a video I like. For example, I've selected these video clips. Now click Add Page and change your clip's drag and drop the clips to rearrange the pages as you prefer. If your video has the original sound from one of the websites, click the volume sign and drag it all the way to 0 to silence it. Return back to the websites and look for more images, clips to match the length of your audio. The time has come to add background music. We'll use Canvas's own music collection or YouTube's own sound collection. Click on your profile on YouTube Studio's next sound collection. There's a wide range of tracks you can choose from, and it's all free on YouTube, but unfortunately not on Canva. However, I like to use Canvas music because it is simpler. Now you can explore the different music and choose the one you like. I'll choose this one and drag and drop it into the project, then adjust the position to match the rest of the tracks. Let's have a look at what we've done so far.
The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle.
If you feel it is ready, download the file by simply clicking the share icon in the top right of the screen. Make sure the file type is set to MP4 video. Great job. But wait, before we publish, it's essential to add subtitles. Instead of us creating the subtitles and adjusting them in the correct spots, I have the perfect way to auto-generate subtitles. V.io. Yes, you heard that correctly. With the assistance of this fantastic AI technology, the AI will generate all of the subtitles in the correct areas for us. Now we'll go to V.io. Once we've arrived at the page, click Login, then sign in with Google. We are redirected to this page. Click New Video, then Create Project. From here, upload the video file that we made in Canva. On the left sidebar, click Subtitles, then Auto Subtitle. I'll use English. Then wait a few seconds for your subtitles to be generated. Once finished, play the video.
The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle.
If you want to modify the style, go to Styles and change the preset or choose your own font style, size, colors, animation, and other options. I'm going to go with these subtitles for now, but if you're unhappy with the outcomes, you can make the necessary changes. After you're satisfied with the outcome, click the Done box in the top right corner of the page, then click on Export the video. Once it's finished generating, download the video's file. Then select the MP4 file type. Once you have downloaded the video, upload your video to YouTube Shorts. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.